Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. This is my first phone unboxing. I bought this phone, which is a Pixel 3a XL. This is my first Google phone ever. I used to have Samsung phone, specifically the Note line, for years now, and unfortunately the phone is out of service. The screen doesn't work anymore. Maybe I can make a future video trying to fix this phone if I could. But anyways, this is the reason I bought this phone today. So this is an actual product I'm going to use and give you an honest review. I went to my service provider, which is Kodo, by the way. This is my service provider, so you know where I bought this phone from. And I had several options, but I found this phone is kind of stand out because it's having premium back camera and very good price compared to the Pixel 3 XL, which is original Pixel 3 phone. So let's open the box. I already opened it. This is the phone itself, and what's in the box? Let's see. So I'm gonna find some documentations, and this is a SIM card ejector and some user guide and stickers. You get some stickers and basic safety. So that's some documentations you find here. In the box itself, this is actually the adapter, the charger, fast charger. It works okay, and you're gonna find the included wires. This is actually kind of I'm not used to this kind of two-sided USB-C wire. I was actually hoping this is a normal USB cable, and you can find one side is USB to your computer or whatever, and the other side is USB-C or just USB, which is actually, I think it is more convenient. But they give you this in case you want to sync old Android phone with the new Pixel phone that you have. Like, hey Google, it's just one-time thing, and after, all you need to do is just transfer your file from the phone to the computer. So anyways, that's what you get. And this is actually an adapter. In case you have a normal cable like that, you can actually connect it to the adapter like that. To be honest, I don't really think this is the best combination option. Maybe I am missing something. If you know anything, why is it actually making this kind of combination together, you can leave a note here for all of us. Anyways, that's all you get. There is no headphones or anything. So let's put all of this aside. Hello phone. Double tap again and you're gonna find the welcome screen. I didn't activate the fingerprint sensor, but you can activate it and it works fine. So let's start with a comparison between the two phones, the Pixel 3 XL and the one I actually have today. Extra features that you may find more convenient. For example, this phone, the Pixel 3 XL, on this side here, is having wireless charge. So my phone, which is a Pixel 3a, doesn't have. Another thing, the screen is 0.3 inch larger in the Pixel 3 versus Pixel 3a. Another thing is the screen resolution. This is mine is 1080 1080p, and the Pixel 3 XL is QHD, and it's having OLED screen as well, which is a premium display. But the camera on the Pixel 3 is the same on the back, is the same as the Pixel 3a XL. So for me, actually, I don't think I'm losing much. The headphone jack, as you can see here. So if you have a normal headphone jack, this one is working fine. Pixel 3 XL doesn't have. Another thing is the battery. The Pixel 3a XL is having a larger battery, a little bit more battery than the Pixel 3 XL. So you expect to have a little bit more battery life, especially the resolution here is less and the screen is a little bit smaller. The value, this is like half the price, outstanding value. Excellent camera because it's the same camera as 3 XL. Headphone jack, I already showed you. Pure Android with Google customization and 3 years of software update. The Pixel 3a XL doesn't have water resistance. The cons: no unlimited original photo upload. For sure you like to take lots of pictures for any occasion, so with the Pixel 3a XL you go with high quality photos, so it's not the original quality, versus 3 XL, which is unlimited like original quality picture uploaded to your Google account for free. Cons on the 3 XL: doesn't have a headphone jack, average battery life. The processor on the 3a XL is a little bit slower than the original 3 XL. I have a very good deal. This is half price with the same back camera as Pixel 3 XL, and that's basically all I need. I need a camera to take pictures and videos. You're gonna see some of picture samples at the end. It's not really slim phone compared to the 3 XL, but anyways, you get what you paid for. The screen is very good, no complaints. Battery life, I am gonna make a review after maybe a week or so I can tell you my final verdict about everything, and this includes the battery, the camera, and the value of the phone. Does it really worth it or not? But for now, I think the phone is okay. I'm not really this happy, like super happy about the phone, to be honest. Like, I'm missing some features, like for example on my old Samsung phone I have this LED, oh sorry, it's here, the LED indication in case I have missed call or messages or whatever. I can see it right away. I don't even need to turn on the phone, or this one doesn't have. It has the always on screen, and it's either always on or on demand. When you get a notification, it doesn't stay on with any kind of difference. It just shows you the notification at the bottom here, force you to keep checking your phone every now and then. Access to the camera, just double tap on the power and you can go directly to the camera. Squeeze the side of the phone and you get the Google Assistant right away. So phone performance, like let's say for example you're gonna open Chrome, which is open here, and let's open Cloud, Home, Google Home, open Maps, check out the map here, scroll around, not bad at all, zoom out, move around. So no problem with the speed. Okay, so let's open more files, for example, maybe nothing yet. Music, for example, YouTube as well. Okay, no thanks. List. This is actually my list for groceries. So open as well. Play Store. All right. So we have like how many apps opened right now. You can see actually like 10 of them already, and I don't see any like lags or anything. You can just go slide between the apps, or you can again to maps, working fine. So performance wise, I think there is no problem. We can actually close the app like that, and there it is, no problem. Let's have a quick look at the cam itself. I'm gonna show you some pictures at the end, but let's see how it performs. So let's get a model here, this nice model, and the thing you're gonna notice right away is the color accuracy is really good. Maybe it doesn't show much on the cam itself, but I can tell you guys it's like I'm looking through a piece of glass. It's not like a phone at all. The same color on the background, like it's really amazing. The color matching are very good. You have zoom as well, like if you wanna zoom a little bit. It's only one lens, by the way. Like we do everything here with just one lens, right here on the back. Not bad at all. Take a picture and take a picture again, and you can even zoom more. Like this is the maximum zoom. You can see some details on the ear here. Video stabilization is actually good, but not in the car. You can see actually on the video, I tried to use it as a dash cam, it didn't work at all. You can check the video on the description for HEVC format testing. It's long video actually, it's worth watching, and this is during daytime. So let's go back to normal and take another picture. All right, video. Let's take a small video as well here. All right, so I want to show you something that is actually very impressive, and this is a thing I really like about the Pixel, which is the low light. And turn off the light here, and now on the background it's really dark, but on the phone screen itself actually it's not bad at all. Let's take a picture here, and you go to more, and you can choose you actually have several options here. One of them is night sight, but you also have the photosphere, you have photo booth, you have slow motion. If you like to try slow motion, I'm gonna try in a future video. Time lapse, playground, lens. So let's just concentrate on the night side, and let's see, we're gonna take another picture here. You can see it's processing several shots, and go to the picture. So this one was a night shot, as you can see here. This is a night shot picture, and this one without night shot. So as you can see, you get more detail on the one with a night shot, because it's accumulating several pictures on top of each other. So if missing detail from one of them, it's gonna take it from the second one. Alright, so I have more pictures here. Actually, I took it the day I actually bought the phone. So as you can see, this photo here, it's a chair. As you can see, the color of the chair is like 100% matching with the actual chair color in real, and the plant as well. This one on the mall itself. This is the first time I take any pictures. The mall was already almost closed, but I just stayed around to take pictures. There's another one here, and another one. I went outside, it was like after sunset. This is my car here, and as you can see, I am not actually far from the car, but still I can see a very good and not bad wide angle, and you can see the background still visible. The sky is not, it was darker, but it seems like more lighted than real thing. And that's my picture in the car, and that's just the street light. And it's after sunset, it's getting really dark, but you still can see some details on the outside, which is not bad at all. So that's my first impression about the camera is really good. I have no complaints. The phone does it worth the money? For now, I can say you get a Google Pixel, most of the features of the Pixel 3 with half the price. Like, really, it's something great. The phone works fine. I have no issue with the performance. Doesn't come with lots of like garbage apps. It's only Google apps, which usually you install anyway, nothing else, which is I believe it's a plus. Really, the size of the phone is not bad, so it's not big, it's not small. Quality of the phone is okay, except for design. I don't really like it this much. Other than that, it's okay phone. Anyways, I just wanted to share my first impression with you guys about this new phone I bought here. So I'm gonna make like detailed review later on, maybe after a week or two, just to let you know what happened with this phone as a daily driver. And see you then. Anyone have any new information like to add, please leave it in the comment, and this is gonna help me and everybody as well. If you have any question or anything, ask me as well. And don't forget to check the long video again, it's on the description as well. So I believe this is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.